Okay. Let me know when everybody's got it open.
I've got it.
Okay.
I think it's C.
Is it C?
I think it's either B or
Sweet. Okay, we conclude that P is minus 1, 1.
I think it's B. Because P should, or P hat should.
Yeah, the true proportion. I don't know the answer.
It's kind of confusing. I just don't understand, like, totally how to find P hat because, like, it gives us P, which is 0.4, and the sample size, but we don't have X.
Can we
So, is P the answer, or?
It said that we're in the information. It says we conclude that P hat is normally distributed if P is greater than 10 and N 1 minus P is greater than 10. Can we just plug in 1/4 of 1 and figure out what the biggest number is times that to be correct?
yeah, like plug in 1/4 and solve for N.
Yeah.
I mean, what we could do. Not right now. I've got to do homework. Okay. I'd love to later. So we know what N is and we know what this number is. So what we can do is just multiply 24 by 0.4. And we can try to see if that is X. But I don't know. At a Hopeful Pediatrics on Coronado. Coronado. There's two of them.
You sound so sad.
Oh, yeah. He's not feeling very good. Again. His dad's taking him to the doctor right now, so.
Oh, poor thing.
There's probably nothing wrong or nothing I can do for him. But,
hey, it's worth a shot, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So it says here P is a random variable. Have you guys already figured it out, or?
No,
like,
I'm trying to see if I can figure out
Oh gosh.
an answer.
So
Where are we getting another value other than the P that they give us, which is 1/4? Do they tell
From
us?
the answer above, from the information above. So before question 5.
Yeah, so it looks like the mean of P hat equals P. So we're just, so it's probably just 0.4.
But you know what? I'm almost wondering if the answer is 40.
Oh, like, well, it says round to the 10th place. So, I mean, it could be.
And the only reason I say that is because 1 minus.
I'm sorry, are we on 7?
Oh, wait. Yeah. 1, 7.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was on 8. Whoops.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm not seeing the.
Yeah. What? Say thank you.
I don't know how to figure out 7.
I don't either.
Oh, you're welcome.
Because the only thing that makes sense is that if you do 40, then that is a quarter of 40, which is 1/4, is greater than or equal to 10, which is the number that
Works for me. I can't figure out what else.
40 is that. I don't.
Well, I don't think P has to be greater than or equal to 10.
No, it's
It's
based
just
on
N.
that formula that's right before 5, saying
Okay.
NP is greater than or equal to 10, and N of 1 minus P is greater than or equal to 10, and 40 makes sense. Because 40
Let's do it.
times 0.25, which is 1/4, is greater than or equal to 10. That would be like the smallest. That is right, because that's the smallest number.
I see what. Okay, I see. Yeah.
That makes
Let's do
sense.
that.
Now it
Yeah.
makes no sense. I was like, logically that makes sense, but now it really makes sense.
Yep, sounds good.
Okay, now we're ready. So is it 0.4?
I think it is because, yeah, it says the mean of P hat equals P.
Okay.
So
Are we on 8?
Yeah.
Okay, so how did we solve that? I'm not getting this.
So just in the book, it says,
Mean of P hat equals P, and they gave us P, so we know that P is 0.4.
Ah, it's like one of those.
we know that, yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay, what is the standard deviation of?
Yeah. I
Oh,
like read this chapter and did the work, but I feel like I did a totally different lesson or something.
you're not alone, Greg.
No, you're not. But what is the sample size?
24.
Oh, and
You're fine.
okay. Okay. So the answer is 4. No.
So the answer is the square root of 0.01. Is that right?
I got 0.01.
The square root of 0.01, right?
Oh, thank you. I just figured that.
I just want to make sure I'm not crazy.
Nope, you're not.
Get 0.1.
0.1. That was like the 10th place. 0.
So 0.01, right?
I got 0.1. Is that not right?
Yeah,
No.
just 0.1. All right.
So do we use that same formula or no? Oh no, the P hat is 0.3.
Yeah, that's the same thing, isn't it?
That's P. I don't know the difference between between p hat
And P.
and like, yeah. I mean, the mean of p hat equals p. But
There has to be a way to find p hat. Oh, it's x divided by n. But we don't know x.
yeah,
Or is x 35?
that's n.
Oh, N's 100. That says it right there.
Oh yeah, n's
It
100.
says she will get more than 35 hits in her neck. So is it 35 divided by 100? Because x is the value.
That could be.
I think that's it. I think it's, so it would just be 0.35.
0.03, did you say?
No, 0.35.
35.
And then we subtract that by 0.3 divided by the standard deviation, right?
Oh, it's square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n.
If I say that again, you keep cutting out.
No, you're fine. It's the square root of, on the top is p times 1 minus p
Mm-hmm.
divided by n. Or did you already do that? Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, you're awesome.
0.0458.
So then
That's what you guys got?
out of that.
Just a second.
You use 0.35.
Oh yeah, Bailey, you want to use 0.35, 1 minus 0.35, and then
Sorry, I still can't hear you.
so it's gonna, the p value is 0.35, and that's the p, and
Yeah.
down to the p value. Oh, you're right, it's 0. The answer I got 0.046.
I got 0.926, so. This is.
Hold on.
Let's see if I need the z-score. So here's the z-score. It's p hat minus p
So
divided by the standard.
it's the, later on in the reading, it shows standard deviation of p hat, and that's what we want. We don't want the z-score. We want standard deviation of p hat for 11.
The next question. Oh, yeah. The next question is asking for the z-score.
Oh, okay, Bailey, 10 is 0.35.
Okay.
You're fine. And the next one's 0.046. Is that what you, that's at least what I got. Is that what you got, Greg?
Yeah, that's what I got. Assuming like I feel confident in the equation and the answer,
Yeah, and I
Assuming
do.
I put in the right values.
Yeah, in the
the
reading it
formula.
says what the formula for standard deviation is.
Yep, you're right. I did my math wrong.
I think you were just looking at a different formula.
No, I did my math wrong.
Okay.
But yes, I was doing that too. I was trying to find the z-score.
Oh, you're fine. So yeah, now we want the z-score.
I just thought I saw something about the probability, so I was like, oh, hey. Okay.
Okay, so it's the value.
That's right.
I got 1.0.
1.091.
I got 1.087. Hold on.
I
Okay,
extended my numbers a little bit.
so the value is which number? I'm trying to make sure I did my math right.
The value.
What are you showing the area right there, really?
I'm not sure what I'm doing right there. What's the probability she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 bats? So if it's more than that, it's going to be the right tail.
Sorry,
Right.
I'll be right back.
You're fine. What did you get for the z-score?
So I was trying to find the formula. Is it like that big long formula where it's p hat minus p over square root of p?
Yeah, over the standard deviation. Yep.
Okay, yeah, I can. Sorry, what were you guys saying? So it says in the reading that the z-score is value minus mean divided by standard deviation.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that makes more sense.
So which number is the value then? Is the point?
So it's 0.35 minus.
I think it would be 0.35 because
Minus which part?
P minus P.
Minus
0.3.
0.3, yeah.
3 divided by the standard deviation we just got.
Mm-hmm.
Which is
0.045825.
Is that right?
I got 1.087. Is that what you got?
Yeah, that's what I got.
That sounds like a z-score to me.
Yeah,
I don't
sounds
know if
better
it's
than
right, but
Yeah, that's what I got. Sorry. So do we want to go with that?
1.087.
0.87.
Since both of you got that, let's go with that.
Hey, come here. Come here.
So the just keep getting ahead of myself here.
You're fine.
So 0.139
9.
for the probability.
Oh, sorry. How did you get that?
She put the z-score into the applet and just did the right
yeah,
one, and that gets us the area. You're fine. We haven't worked with the applet in a while. Okay.
So 0.139, is that what we're putting?
Yeah,
0.
0.139.
Yeah.
You're right. Yep.
You're gonna take a nap?
No.
No.
Take a nap.
Oh. One can hope, right?
Goodbye.
It's not at this time of night, but
Yeah.
Okay. I got, for the next one, I got 0.011. For 14.
okay, I'm still working.
No, you're fine. Greg, is that what you got?
I'm still crunching.
You're good.
I got 0.001248.
Sure. Did you do square root?
I got 0.0112. What did you get,
That
Alex?
is the worst.
I got 0.011.
1, yeah, that's what I got.
Bailey, I know you're going to get the same answer when you square root it.
0.01.
0.001. Sorry, 0.011. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. See, you guys are saving my butt tonight.
Hey, we all gotta help each other out.
That's right. You try some? Love your hand.
Okay.
Don't chew it. Put it in your mouth. Don't
So,
chew it.
Let's see it.
Is that cool?
Mm-hmm.
hey.
Mom, I want some. Please. I want some.
So is P the value, or P is the mean, right?
P is also the mean.
So I'm just trying to set up formula here for the.
So,
Please.
right? Is that what it is?
Please.
So
Well, what would P hat be?
P hat should be 0.011.
Mom, I want some.
That's the standard deviation.
So
Oh,
for
yeah.
the value, the mean, would the mean be,
Mom,
and the value would be 0.50?
Oh, I guess it could be. Yeah.
Or is that wrong?
Oh, because of the 50% of the votes?
Yeah.
Negative 1.818.
Is that right though?
Well, if you do it the other way, 0.52, you just get the positive version of that same answer.
I got 1.709.
Okay, how'd you get that?
So
Oh wait, 709 or 1.79?
1.709.
Okay, explain to me how you did that.
So 0.5 minus 0.52 is negative 0.02
Okay.
for p hat minus p, and then you divide that by the standard deviation down here.
Oh, so I see how, I use 0.011 as the standard deviation. You have a couple extra, you have 0.0117. Is that what you use?
Mm-hmm.
That might be why we got different numbers.
What did you guys
I
get?
got,
Sorry.
I got 1.818.
Yeah.
Yeah.
0, 1, 1, 1,
It just
1, 2. Okay, so if you use all the decimals on that one, because it's actually, the decimals are actually 0.01111713.
17. Oh my god. Okay.
All of those, the answer we'll get is negative 1.79028. So I think we need to use all the definite decimals because usually we're not supposed to round till the end.
Right.
That's a good point.
And
So
rounded before, so the answer would be negative 1.790.
okay.
Okay.
Sounds good to me. No more. Okay.
Okay. So what did you get for the z-score on that, Bailey, using the applet?
The probability.
Yeah.
I got 0.037.
Cool. You got 100.
Yay.
Oh, I don't feel 100.
I don't even.
I don't either.
Oh, wow.
I think it's just understanding the formulas a little better and then understanding where each one comes from is all. So. Okay. Thank you. What?
Yeah, I was gonna say we need to work on our group thing too.
Is that due this week?
I think a part of it is the design, the study is due this week.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we just have to turn it in.
Do we have another group quiz next week, this week?
Wednesday.
Okay.
Although
We just want to do it then.
I won't be able to make Wednesdays unless we do it earlier.
I can do earlier in the day before mutual, I think. Let me look. But I don't know. Can you do that, Bailey?
Yeah, I can do whenever.
What's your schedule like that day, Greg?
I just can't do a late evening.
Okay. Could we do 6 o'clock like we normally do?
So
Yeah.
5 my time, yeah, I could do that on a
5
Wednesday.
your time, would that work okay? Or do we need to do it earlier?
No, that works.
That works.
Is that okay with you, Bailey?
Yeah, absolutely.
So on Wednesday the 20th, we're going to meet at 6.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, no problem. And if I need to,
And I'll send it to you guys. And see
Awesome.
what you
Awesome.
think.
That'd be great.
Unless we want to do
Good.
something different.